Before operating on the customer, first we should wash the customer's face with facial cleanser. After washing, prepare an airball pencil and draw the operating area. Ask the client to turn her face sideways. Find an outline of the client's face and draw a line connecting to the highest point to the end behind the ear. For the second line, draw a line along our finger, one finger away from the corner of your mouth. For the third line, draw a line along your finger, one finger away from your ear. For the first line, draw the outline of the upper cheek. Please make sure the lines are connected. And then we use the scale on the treatment head to divide the line into several equal parts. Draw several points. The same as before. And then we connect all the points. This below area that we have already drawn it. In the second area, we draw a line from the highest point of the eye bag as the center. Draw a line. This is the highest point. All the way to the temple area and connect. When we operate on the crow's feet area, we use the triangle area of our crow's feet as the center point and draw strips to connect it. The temple area, the ear area, and the highest point of our upper cheek are restricted areas and cannot be operated. Make all the lines connected. Regarding the forehead, draw a line connecting the eyebrow tile and eyebrow peak at the highest point. Regarding the forehead, draw a line connecting the eyebrow tile and eyebrow peak at the highest point, and then draw a line connecting the hairline area with the feet arm at the center. All the line connected is okay. The restrict area and triangle areas cannot operate. The second step is to start the operation. First, we take out the 3.5 cartridge. This is for smart layer. Install the treatment head and adjust the energy from the lowest level according to the energy value that the customer can accept. Before operation, adjust the energy from 0.3 joule and apply medical cold gel evenly to the operation area. Keep the gel flat. We need to stick closely to the skin, and we need to stick closely between the lines. We need to consult the customer whether he feels it. If the customer doesn't feel anything, we need to increase the energy according to the customer's acceptable energy range. The operation method is in form of stamping. The range of movement must be small to ensure that each area needs to be operated in place and close to the skin. Ask the customer how it feels. We operate these three areas first. The operation method is the same as the previous one. After the operation is completed, we align this corner with this line. The third step is to focus on the master muscle to lift it here and start the operation here. Be sure that your skin is very focused. Be sure to apply it close to your skin. Lift this fat to the upper cheek area. After the operation is completed, we will strengthen the last step, which can be slide here. Be sure to stick tightening when sliding. In the last step, we operate the area of people cheek and non-syllable folds. We can also put it in this way. Or we can push it from the inside out according to the comfort level of our own technique. The second line will also start to be lifted from this place. This area can do lifting too. We should lifting up to the highest, then stop. This area cannot do it, because these are restricted area. The second step, after we use 4.5 cartridges, when we can use 3.0 cartridges to wrinkle removal on dermis. The treatment way is same as 3.5 cartridges. Also lifting from the area, no need to do large area treatment. We must pay attention to stick to the client's skin and operate to the highest point of the area. The treatment way of second line is same. The other hand can be used to assist. Lifting the skin and the third line is pushed up from the posit. Energy is same. The step must be the same. You must ask the customer how do they feel. If customer feel a little hot on the face, the energy is enough. The third step, we are targeting the epidermal layer. The treatment way is the same as the previous two steps. The energy is adjusted from the lowest level to the energy that the customer can accept. The method is the same, all at an angle. After the operation, this area is moved toward here. The national files are pushed out from the inside out, and the final step is to strengthen this area. Now we have finished operating 3 areas. The remaining 1 area is the forehead. For the forehead area, we use 1.5 cartridges, and we only can use 1.5 cartridges to this area, and must put cooling gel, and remember the cooling gel must be more, cannot less. The energy is also the same and cannot be too high. Go up from here, go up. Take this as the center. Smooth out these forehead wrinkles is okay. The operation method is the same. The last step is to operate the cow's feet area. The treatment head we choose is 2.0. Other treatment heads cannot be used. Open your hands and be sure to apply cold gel during operation. The thread should not be too close to the eyeball. Focus on the middle and move to both sides. Repeat several times after the operation. The second step is to push outwards. The last step is to strengthen. The mold energy is the same, based on the customer's acceptance range value. The mold we choose is the MP mold. There should be a lot of gel.